guys, I'm Day7. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing I'll be showing you how to build a redstone repeating mechanism thing, redstone clock, I think, whatever you call it. So first you will need a block, any kind of block. I'm just going to use these. I'm just going to test if the one that I thought up myself actually works, but, you know, no it doesn't. Okay then, so that doesn't work. So, I'm going to go do the one that I've got right now. So, every block you will need a redstone torch on, plus a redstone repeater. Where are they? Redstone repeaters. Redstone repeater, there we go. You'll need it pointing that way. No, wrong way actually. You're actually silly me, right way. You'll need the ticks set to 4. Then another block here with another torch, and then some redstone here. Sorry that I'm being a bit, low energy today. It's just, yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, I got it wrong. Flip. Then that does that. Then, yeah, you are going to need, oh yeah, what? Wait, what? Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just being a bit, Oh my gee, what the flip? Oh, I've got this the wrong way around again. Oh, bless it, got me. I got the wrong way around again. Oh, yeah. Now I got it. Then, is it that way? Here it is. Then you got it going on. Then you can have it going as quickly as you want. Then if I place down, I don't know, a piston, then watch this. I know it might not be able to keep up with what you got. Yeah, I'm just gonna have it max speed. So yeah, that is how you build a redstone repeating, I guess you could call it a repeating mechanism. I'm just gonna break this. No. Oh, gee. Okay, what? Oh yeah, that's the best way. Best way to do anything. There, that's doing that. Oh, please don't go up. Yes. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, do not forget, hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe and hit my bell to never miss another video. If you guys don't like this day in, day out thing that I've just started doing on my channel, then be sure to comment that you don't like it, and I'll see how many comments don't like it and how many comments do like it. And yep, I will see you guys all very, very soon. Bye!